These guys, I've shown you those clips I've been through. When you watch Brendan Murray and them on the bands, thrashing them, the jumpers are just working on their footwork. They'll just be in the background, just bang. Okay, another one, the throw jump now. So the protocol on the throw jump that I picked up was, in New Zealand we tend to go throw jump and we do the jump forward. Whereas you remember Victor said front foot, back foot. Bang. Bang. Remember it's coming off the hooker. Okay, so critical there is you're looking for the cues. By the time they've read it, you've moved, you're up, the ball's already coming. Okay, so front foot to back foot, up. So one throw jump. Bang. So just going back to that little front one now. So the front one, so you saw Thrushy in that. I remember Thrushy when I filmed him without doing it, he was just going, you know? Okay, and then you go to, it's just a hop, bang. Okay, you're just taking that little foot in front of the guy that's marking you and up. Straight up when you work. Do you understand English? Oh, that's about the only good answer you've got to give on this, huh? So you saw in the clips, this is the one where I kept a bit of gold with. Okay, so we're looking at the footwork. And now if you really want to break it down, some of you guys, Jason Eater's one, he's played 15 tests and 80 super games and he's still jumping with big heavy arms. Okay, so that arm drive's critical now. We're focusing on footwork. If you want to go a little bit more detail, we'll get there. Bam, just drive, okay? Some of you still doing the old, you know? It's really, because the more force we can generate off the deck, it's going to be easy for our lifters to catch it momentum and really lock you out. So, you know, really up, right? That's better. You know sign language? Arms?
Yeah.
Okay. Or arm drive. Big arm drive for you more. Front. That's it. So the last one, when we're getting in, so this is normally a jump, so it's an example. And you've got that gap between your front lifter and your first guy and whatever you've got set up in behind that. I'm not getting the instructions for that side. So all turning side on. Yep. Okay. And like I said the first time, just relax. Okay, when I tap, you're just going to turn and jump through. Okay, so yeah, I've seen it. Okay, but what was happening, how do guys go? Okay, so everything we've done here, we just speed everything up by half a second, which is foot at the top. Okay, so go in. Speed up, good. More underdrive up. Okay, so